and welcome to Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and this is my friend Jessica Clark, and today we're going to answer one of the questions you've been wondering. What do I need to bake brownies? Now, of course, you can go out there and buy a brownie mix to make brownies, but there is nothing like a homemade, fudgy, dense brownie, and today I'm sharing my favorite recipe with you. First, you're going to start off by melting 2 sticks of butter in a medium-sized pan. Once the butter is melted, you're going to add in 2 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Then you want to mix the sugar and the butter together until it's fully melted. Do not let the sugar begin to boil. Once the sugar and butter are all mixed together, you'll remove it from the stovetop and start with your other ingredients. What you're going to need: 4 large eggs, 1 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of espresso powder, which is optional, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add all of those ingredients into a stand mixer and mix it together with the sugar and butter mixture. After all of the ingredients are well combined, stir in the flour until just combined. Do not over mix it. Then, if you want, you can add in optional things like chocolate chips or toffee bit pieces. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place your brownie batter in a 9 by 13 pan that you've already sprayed with cooking spray, and then bake for 25 minutes. After you've taken your brownies out of the oven, let them cool and then cut them into nice sized bars.